Hi, welcome to Val's Keto Life. I have a slight dilemma. I got invited to a party and I know what kind of foods they're going to have. They're going to have great food. They're going to have all the food I love, everything I love. Cookies and candies and all those things. And I thought, what am I going to do? I want to go, but I know that in the scheme of things, I'm not always the strongest person I need to be. I get to the point where I see things that are delicious, sorry, moving things around, and I want to have them too. So I thought the only thing that's going to save me is for me to bring something to that party that everyone likes and I enjoy tremendously. So I'm going to make a beautiful antipasta that I can take to this party. Okay, so listen, if you like these types of videos, just ideas that help you get out of binds when you get in them, go ahead and click subscribe, hit the bell, and then that means that anytime I put up a video, you'll be notified. So the first thing I do is I go out and get something to put my antipasta on. This is from the dollar store. And the reason why I love this thing is because I can cover it, I can take it, and I can leave without it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get into this recipe right now. I am right now going to take one cucumber, I'm going to peel it, and I'm going to set it aside. And then I'm going to grab my tomatoes, little grape tomatoes, and I'm going to halve them. I think this makes the sauce go into them a little bit easier, makes them a little more spicy. I am going to then start my tzatziki. And I'm going to take 1 cup of full fat yogurt, and I'm going to grate the cucumber on the larger grater. And I'm only going to do, maybe 1/4 of it in there, because I want to be some cucumber where you can taste it. And then on the smaller grater, I'm going to do the rest of that cucumber. And I'm going to go all the way and get it all the way done. I'm going to put a 1/2 tablespoon, that's right, tablespoon, of garlic with that in there. I'm going to put all the tomato back, put them to the side, and get ready for the next. So these spring onions are really good. I'm going to just chop off where the roots are, and then I'm going to chop them up so I don't have a bigger greener part. So they're going to be about 3 or 4 inches. I'm going to pull them and I'm going to halve them. The nice thing about halving them is they're a little bit easier to eat. And that's going to go on the platter when I start to assemble. Now I'm cutting my cucumber into slices. This is going with the tomatoes. So I'll put the tomatoes together. Now I bought a kamate, I think that's how you say it, in red wine vinegar, the olives. So I'm going to take the juice, leave the olives in the jar, take the juice, and I'm going to pour it in there. It's just a really quick way to get that Mediterranean type taste. Put a little olive oil. Oh, I love it. I don't do much else to it. I'm going to stir it up, and I'm going to put that to the side also because I'm getting ready to assemble. Okay, antipasta is an antipasta without a little mozzarella, and I am going to actually cube the mozzarella to go on. I also have a provolone that's going to go on to that antipasta, and I bought that at Boars Head. There's no nitrates and things like that, so I prefer Boars Head. I have 3 different salamis and a bruschetta that I also got that's Boars Head, and that's going to go onto my platter also. So as you can see, I'm assembling this like supersonic speed. So I'm putting my onions, then I'm having the meat and then rehaving them, and it actually almost makes them come up like they're blossoming on the plate, yes. And so I'm going to put those, I tried to roll them, I didn't like the look. So these, the bruschetta is also getting halved and then halved again, so it's coming up a little bit like a flower. As you can start to see, it's all coming together. I'm trying to make the colors fit on the plate well. Putting the tzatziki in the middle, and then I'm filling it in with even more meat. So as you can see, I have olives and spring onions, then the tomato and cucumbers, and then all the different meats. And I just keep filling it until that plate starts looking like it's overflowing. Tucking more meat into it, and you can put it all around because you want everything to really stand up. So if they're too much, just keep folding and folding and then putting on the plate. I'm going to continue to add to this platter and keep making it look fuller and fuller. We're going to add more olives. You notice the juice in the bowl, that's the red wine vinegar. I'm going to kind of just drizzle that across the top. Just pour it over there, give it just a little more zing when I'm making it. Now look at this. I just can't imagine not taking that, and who wouldn't like to see me at the door with this? Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't it gorgeous? I just love it. The tzatziki sauce in the middle, I think it just makes it really nice. So this is what I would take so that there is something for me to eat that I can enjoy and that I think other people would really like. And when I go to a party where I know I'm going to struggle and I have an antipasti, this makes the difference. It makes all the difference in the world because it takes care of the savory, the salty, the thing that I need when I'm at a party, the thing I enjoy. Yes, would I make a little bit of a cake or something? I would, and bring that also. But this, I don't have to tell anyone it's keto. I don't have to make a point of it. I just put it down and I eat with everyone else. I kind of like that. Okay, guys, I love you. Thank you for visiting Val's Keto Life, and I hope to see you next week. Bye, everyone. Thank you for visiting.